Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 5 common mistakes that almost every new investor makes, and how you can avoid them to get a head start on your financial journey. Let's get right into it. First up is trying to time the market. We've all heard the phrase buy low, sell high, but it's nearly impossible to predict the market's peaks and valleys consistently. Many beginners panic sell during a dip or get greedy during a rally, only to miss out on the recovery or get burned when the market turns. A much better strategy is time in the market. Not timing the market, consistent. Long-term investing almost always beats trying to be a psychic. Mistake number 2, putting all your eggs in one basket. It's so tempting to go all in on that one hot stock everyone is talking about, but that's a huge gamble. If that one company hits a rough patch, your entire portfolio suffers. The key is diversification, spreading your investments across different stocks, sectors, and even asset classes like bonds or real estate helps protect you from volatility and reduces your overall risk. The third mistake is letting emotions drive your decisions. Fear and greed are the 2 biggest enemies of a successful investor. Watching your portfolio drop can be scary, leading to panic selling at the worst possible time. On the flip side, seeing a stock soar can trigger FOMO, fear of missing out, causing you to buy at an inflated price. The best investors stay calm, stick to their plan, and make decisions based on logic, not emotion. Next, we have ignoring fees. Those small percentages might not seem like a big deal, but trust me, they add up over time and can seriously eat into your returns. Whether it's trading fees, expense ratios on funds, or account maintenance fees, always be aware of what you're paying. Look for low-cost index funds or ETFs to keep more of your hard-earned money working for you. Finally, mistake number 5 is not having a plan. Investing without a clear goal is like driving without a destination. You'll just wander aimlessly. Before you invest a single dollar, ask yourself, what am I saving for? Retirement? A house? What's my timeline? And what's my risk tolerance? Having a solid plan will guide your investment choices and help you stay on track, even when the market gets bumpy. So there you have it, 5 common pitfalls to watch out for. Avoiding these mistakes will set you up for much greater success in the long run. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.